Imagine the cell as a city, teeming with life and activity, and within this city, various organelles serve as the essential structures, each contributing to the overall function of the cell. 1. The nucleus, City Hall. In our bustling city, the nucleus represents the City Hall. It's the control center, where the mayor, DNA, resides. Just as the mayor manages the city's laws and regulations, the nucleus governs the cell's activities by storing and managing the genetic information. 2. Mitochondria, power plants. Mitochondria are the power plants of the cell, much like the electric power stations in a city. They generate the cell's energy currency, ATP, providing the necessary power for all cellular activities. Without mitochondria, the cell would be in the dark. 3. Endoplasmic reticulum, factories and warehouses. The endoplasmic reticulum, ER, is analogous to the city's network of factories and warehouses. Just as factories manufacture goods and warehouses store them, the ER assists in protein and lipid synthesis and acts as a transport network for these products within the cell. 4. Golgi apparatus, postal service. Think of the Golgi apparatus as the city's postal service. It's responsible for packaging and modifying proteins and lipids, parcels, before sending them to their specific destinations within the cell or for export outside the cell. 5. Lysosomes, waste management. Lysosomes function as the cell's waste management system, much like sanitation and recycling centers in a city. They contain enzymes that break down waste materials and cellular debris, ensuring the cell remains clean and functional. 6. Vacuoles, storage facilities. Vacuoles are akin to storage facilities in our city. They store various substances, such as water, nutrients, and waste products. Just as the city's storage facilities ensure resources are readily available, vacuoles store essential materials for the cell. 7. Cytoskeleton, road network. The cytoskeleton is the cell's road network, just like the streets and highways in a city. It provides structural support and acts as a transportation system for organelles and other cellular components to move throughout the cell. 8. Cell membrane, city walls and gates. The cell membrane serves as the protective barrier of the cell, much like the city's walls and gates. It controls what enters and exits the cell, ensuring its safety and regulating the traffic of molecules in and out. 9. Chloroplasts, solar panels. In plant cells, chloroplasts are like solar panels. They harness the energy from sunlight, converting it into chemical energy through photosynthesis, much like how solar panels capture the sun's energy for electrical power in a city. 10. Ribosomes, construction workers. Ribosomes are the cell's construction workers, responsible for building proteins. Just as construction workers assemble buildings, ribosomes link amino acids to construct the proteins essential for various cellular functions. This captivating analogy between cell organelles and a bustling city helps us visualize the intricate and interconnected world within the cell, making the complex biology of cells more relatable and engaging.